Welcome back, traders. Let's take a quick look at the key market events coming up this week. First up, today at 9:30 a.m., Switzerland will release its retail sales year-over-year numbers. The forecast is 2.5%, a bit higher than the previous 2.2%. Retail sales are a key indicator of consumer confidence. If the numbers match or beat expectations, it could show stronger consumer spending, and that's usually good news for the Swiss franc. Moving on to tomorrow, 3rd December at 9 a.m., Turkey will release its inflation rate month-over-month data. The forecast is 2.5%, slightly lower than last month's 2.88%. If inflation cools off, we might see some movement in the Turkish lira. Lower inflation could ease some pressure on the markets there. Next, we have a high-impact event to watch on 4th December at 2:30 a.m., Australia's GDP growth rate quarter-over-quarter. Forecasts suggest growth of 0.5%, up from 0.2%. GDP is the ultimate scorecard for an economy. A strong number could boost the Australian dollar. Moving on to 5th December, Brazil will release its balance of trade numbers at 8 p.m. A surplus of $4.5 billion is expected, compared to the previous $4.34 billion. A bigger surplus might highlight strong export activity, which could support the Brazilian real. And finally, on 6th of December at 9 a.m., the UK will report its Halifax House Price Index year-over-year. The forecast is 1.3%, way down from the previous 3.9%. Falling house prices could weigh on the British pound, as it reflects cooling demand in the property market. However, a surprise uptick could spark optimism for the UK economy. That's it for this week's highlights. See you next week. Happy trading!